Hello. Is this seat free?
Yes, please sit down.
Thank you. It's a nice day today.
Yes, very sunny.
My name is Emma. What is your name?
I'm Tom. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Tom.
Do you live near this park?
Yes, I live 5 minutes away. And you?
I live on Green Street. It's not far.
Oh, I know Green Street. It's a quiet place.
Yes, I like it. Very peaceful.
Do you come here often?
Not every day, but maybe twice a week. You?
I come here almost every day. I like to walk and relax.
That sounds nice. I like to read in the park.
Oh, what do you like to read?
I read short stories. English stories for beginners.
Me too. I also read children's books to learn new words.
That's a good idea. I watch English videos too.
Same here. Do you learn English online?
Yes, I use an app and some YouTube channels.
That's great. English is not easy, but practice helps.
Yes. What is your job, Emma?
I work in a bakery. I make bread and cakes.
Wow, I love cake.
Haha, me too. What about you, Tom?
I work in a bookstore. I sell books.
Oh, that's perfect for you. You like reading.
Yes. Do you like your job?
Yes, I do. It is fun and I meet many people.
That's nice. I like quiet work, but people are good too.
What do you do on weekends?
I go to the park, read, and sometimes watch movies.
I like movies. What kind of movies do you like?
Funny movies. And you?
I like funny and romantic movies.
Do you have any hobbies?
Yes, I paint sometimes. And you?
I play the guitar a little.
Wow, that's cool. Do you sing too?
Haha, no. I'm not a good singer.
That's okay. Playing music is great.
Do you have family here?
Yes, my parents live here. I live with my sister.
That's nice. I live alone, but I call my parents often.
It's good to talk to family. I call my grandma every Sunday.
Do you want to have coffee one day?
Sure. I know a small cafe near here.
Great. Maybe this Saturday?
Saturday is perfect. What time?
10 a.m.?
Yes, I'll see you then, Tom.
Okay. See you, Emma.
Hi, Tom.
Hi, Emma. Nice to see you again.
Nice to see you too. How are you today?
I'm good, thank you. And you?
I'm good too. I like this cafe.
Yes, it's quiet and clean.
Do you want coffee or tea?
I want coffee. You?
I'll have tea. I don't drink much coffee.
Do you like sweet tea?
Yes, with a little sugar.
So, how was your week?
It was busy. Many people came to the bakery.
That's good for business.
Yes, but I was tired. What about your week?
My week was okay. I finished 2 books.
Wow! What books?
One is a love story. The other is a travel book.
Do you want to travel?
Yes, I want to see other countries.
Me too. Where do you want to go?
Maybe Japan or Italy? You?
I want to visit France. I like French food and art.
Do you speak other languages?
I speak a little French. And you?
Only English, but I want to learn Spanish.
That's nice. Learning languages is fun.
Do you have a pet?
Yes, I have a cat. Her name is Coco.
Cute. I like cats. I have a small dog.
What's your dog's name?
Max. He is very friendly.
What do you do in the evening?
I cook dinner, then watch a movie or read.
I do yoga or listen to music at night.
Yoga is good. I want to try it.
I can teach you a few moves one day.
Really? That would be nice.
Sure. It's fun and relaxing.
Do you like shopping?
Sometimes. I like buying books and clothes.
I like shopping for food. I cook a lot.
What is your favorite food to make?
I like to make pasta.
Yum! I like pasta too. I can bake cookies.
Cookies! That's perfect. Maybe we can cook together one day.
That would be fun.
Do you want to walk after this?
Yes, the weather is nice. Let's walk in the park again.
Okay, let's go.
I like walking. It helps me relax.
Me too. And it's good for health.
Do you do any sports?
I play badminton with my cousin. You?
I go swimming on weekends.
Do you have many friends here?
Not many. I moved here last year.
Oh, me too. It's nice to meet someone new.
Yes, I'm happy we met.
Maybe we can meet again next week?
Yes, let's meet again.
Same cafe?
Sure. How about Friday afternoon?
Friday is good. 4 p.m.?
Perfect. See you then.
Bye, Emma.
Bye, Tom.